Welcome to Exploring Transana Data using ChatGPT. In Transana 5.4 and later, you can use Transana to send queries to OpenAI's ChatGPT about your data. Start by identifying the data you want to explore by selecting a document, a transcript, a collection, a quote, a clip, or a snapshot. Please note that ChatGPT limits how much data can be submitted at once, so there is no option for exploring your entire database or even an entire library's worth of data with a single prompt. Please also note that ChatGPT is much better at exploring text than exploring media data, so Transana facilitates exploration of transcripts rather than episodes. For this demonstration, I will ask ChatGPT for a summary of the transcript of the classic film 12 Angry Men from 1957. I've already created an episode for this media file, and I've created a transcript using Transana. I will right-click the transcript and select Explore Transcript with AI from the pop-up menu. First, Transana presents the AI confidentiality notice. As a result of recent court rulings, OpenAI cannot absolutely guarantee the confidentiality and privacy of data submitted to ChatGPT. You should get explicit permission from the Institutional Review Board or Ethics Board that oversees your research before using this feature in Transana. Because this data does not raise confidentiality concerns, I can check the box to accept the terms of use after I've read them, and I can press the Next button. I now see the AI prompt and accounts setting page. Because I do not have ChatGPT configured on this computer yet, I'm going to start with the Settings tab. I have my OpenAI API key ready, so I'll paste that into the ChatGPT API key field on the form. I could also change the ChatGPT model to use, but I won't at this time. Transana will remember these settings in the future. On the AI Prompts tab, I can see my prompts library. Transana supplies a few default prompts, but I can add, edit, and delete custom prompts to meet my research needs. I'll select the prompt called Summarize Transcript for this analysis. I can modify the prompt and submit it without saving the customization if I want to. I also usually check the Data tab to ensure that the data that I'm submitting is exactly what I want. I note that this transcript includes a header with screen captures of all of the actors in the movie. Since the images integrated into the transcript are not included in the data to be sent to ChatGPT, I will delete the text associated with this header. When working with transcripts and clips, I have the option of including or excluding timecode information. I'll leave the box unchecked for this query. If I were exploring items in collections, I would also have the option of including or excluding items from nested collections. Mixing text data with image data for AI exploration is not currently supported. Please note that while you can explore individual snapshots with AI, snapshots are not included with the data sent to AI when reviewing items in collections. When everything on these three tabs is set the way I want, I press the Next button to submit the prompt and data to ChatGPT. Processing time depends on the size of the data and the complexity of the prompt. Transana now presents the AI text summary page. Please note that AI-generated text may contain hallucinations or other factual inaccuracies. You should review the text result of all AI prompts carefully to confirm and correct the results. At this time, please understand that AI may give you ideas about your data, but cannot give you definitive answers to your queries. After you have reviewed and edited the AI text summary, you can choose to save it as a note on the data item that you selected for AI exploration. Check or uncheck the Save as Note checkbox, modify the note ID as desired, and press the Finish button. Your note appears in the data window. Finally, please note that you can convert the note created by Transana's Explore with AI process to a Transana document by right-clicking the note and selecting the Convert Note to Document option. Such documents lose their connection to the original data from which they were created, but are available for full qualitative analysis within Transana.